certainly do, and it is the executive advisor for Gro UP, Mr. Brian Larison. And Brian, first and foremost, we can't thank you enough for your marketing partnership with us at the International 500 Snowmobile Race. This is your company's first year with us. How do you like it so far?
Oh, this is spectacular. The town's great, the track looks great, the people are fun, the weather's spectacular as well. Couldn't be happier to be here.
Treat here today at the zoo.
Oh man, I tell you what, this is so special. You just get goosebumps when you're down there on the racetrack, and you're a part of something special. You and I both know this. Down on the bridge, if you've never seen snowmobile endurance racing, you are in for a treat. 35 sleds will go 500 laps.
Green flag here at the I-500. We are underway.
And it is Troy DeWall. Sees the checkered flag from Mark Jude. He'll pick up the win.